Introducing DIY Bling, do-it-yourself rhinestone decorating kit from Rhinestone Genie. Whatever you can design, you can bling. It's fast, fun, and easy. Kids love it. You love the craft and you love bling. But you don't have the patience to apply rhinestones one at a time. With Rhinestone Genie, you don't have to apply rhinestones one by one. Make your own custom rhinestone templates with DIY Bling. Here's how it works. Draw or print your designs onto printable vinyl. Cut out your decal and apply it to a flexible magnetic material. Cut out your template, leaving a little extra space. Use the hole punch to punch out the holes in your pattern. Create your designs by laying the magnetic templates out on a steel tray. The magnets will hold in place. Pour on some hot fix rhinestones. Use the sweeping pad to sweep the rhinestones back and forth. The rhinestones will magically flip and fall in the holes shiny side up. Sweep any excess rhinestones off to the side. Lay your hot fix transfer tape over the rhinestones. Lift the transfer tape by pulling from the corner low and slow. Put your rhinestone transfer back onto the white backer from the transfer tape and set aside until ready to apply. Place your rhinestone transfer exactly where you want it. Cover with a pressing sheet. Heat apply with an iron or heat press for about 40 seconds. Wait about 30 seconds and peel back the clear film. Rhinestones are now permanently applied and completely washable.